Really like these places I'm showing you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel after you finish watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you once again. When I see a lot of subscribers or when I see more subscribers, that will also like motivate me to go to some other places you guys would like me to visit. Let's go. Marcelo,
But it's in the city. Coast City was popping. I got Ebo Media in the house, and this is Vlog05 Max Marcel. I know he has been touring himself, enjoying this drive all the way, making a movie of this journey. So you're welcome. We're here, GRA, Enugu Street.
What's
man, good to see you, my nigga, man. Bless, man. We went to buy
aqua beans na plantain.
Fear na plantain.
Nah, I go to mad from O2 to O4. I mean,
O2 to O42.
I mean, that was
2 hours now. Everything on the 222.
Guy,
on a very whiskey fighting.
Person supposed to chop.
If you walk, you chop. So he has driven from O2 to O42.
I deserve to chop.
He has to chop. Omaleta in the building.
Omaleta na for face. Omaleta na for face. Omaleta no kana zo madu. Ola kana zo madu.
Happiness, you know, yeah, is real, but you cannot buy it.
That's so.
Many people have money, but they cannot buy happiness.
That's so.
So be happy in whatever you do, because happiness is therapy.
Yeah. Exactly. That's one.
Come on, yourself.
You don't know, me run things like the big conference. You don't know.
So skified.
All right, guys.
Spiritual man on the vibes. Keep visualizing.
Yeah. Also, guys, there is something that happened just now. Right now, our shoot led us to another location, but what my eyes are seeing, I can't believe it, because the kind of house where I see
Zoo Estate.
What's the name of that?
Zoo Estate. Zoo Estate, where the animals them live.
Zoo Estate in Enugu State, man. You need to come over here and check out the houses here, man. Or if you have that door, man, this is the nice place. You know, you're supposed to have your house. It's a very nice place. I want to take you guys around and show you some beautiful houses, man. Niger, Enugu State, great thing. Right now I'm in Opana Square. You can see, for those of you who know Opana Square in Enugu State, you can see Ran. We're here for another shoot. Right there is Mad Marcel coming through, and I think they're doing something right now. I think there is a campaign going on right here, as you can see over there. I think that's a women campaign or something like that. I don't really know, but we just came here for a shoot. So far, so good. The shot we've been getting today has been going well, and there haven't been any kind of disturbance. Because normally, when you want to go to some places and shoot, you get to find some people, disturbing, saying, "Oh, you can't shoot here. This place is not for sure." Or they will go ahead and say, "You have to give us money before you can do something like that." But so far so good. Enugu is very nice for shooting. Or like if you want to shoot a movie, they have a lot of beautiful places, a very beautiful environment. Man, I just love the nature of Enugu State. That's so cool. So now go to Koinkem guy. Yeah, the guy. And that. I will always give it to you guys spiritually. I mean, I like if it is spiritual, something maybe see. I mean, I watch her like this guy, and I be even more. Because I go, I tell them more, and I be even more. Any reason, that's me, spiritual man of visuals. I will show you the way it is. 300% always. Peace, one God one. It's a very good time to eat. Want to eat a roasted food. What place? Okay, 3. How much? Don't want to be on a level before.
How fun now? I was taking them off now.
In essence, guys, don't forget to take your protein. Beans is very proteinous, and the fish where they come there inside make them more proteinous. So don't forget to take your proteins. Always. Guy, I never vlog, Ide kill you. Okay, that's why okay, the roundabout. But also you talk good.
I'm not destroying it.
Don't worry, I'm put up. You don't have any more. Yeah. Right now I'm at the Liberty Center. I guess here is kind of like a sports arena where you can come around and exercise the body, have some fitness. Guys, you say swimming pool there inside here? Yeah. Okay, let me like say, no, I want to say. I will fall. Why?
Forget him, I did some party, oh. Dance, 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 yo. Dance, 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 yo. Brother, enjoy.
Yeah, this is Coast City, in case you don't know. The spiritual man and the visual. Hey, but media. And so is O42 Max in the building, and the original man, Seth Scofies. What I go and then say, that's not good. I don't have presidential, everything in a mention, everything essential, everything the benchal. You know, you gotta fit the number that if you go down a bit by the right hand side of the road, that's where niggas get their therapy and curing. They call it Onuasata. And after Onuasata, this is still presidential road though. But after Onuasata, which I'm gonna show you, once we get there, you hear my voice telling you that we're at Onuasata Junction roundabout. Yeah, we're about to hit that. Yeah, keep going. Onuasata roundabout.
More straight.
No, straight up. And by this left, you will see that there is a place that we normally get therapy, you know, all those things that will make you feel somehow, at the same time make you feel good by this side. But keep going straight. We're about to hit Stadium Junction. This Coast City, you know, lighted, some parts shining, some parts acting as if nothing is going on there.
I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. I do really appreciate that. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.